In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the voice in Murf AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch voices, fine-tune how they sound, and lock in a polished result that's ready to share. Start by logging into your Murf AI account and opening the project where you want the voice updated. Make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you're juggling multiple drafts. If your script has several sections or blocks, click the one you intend to adjust so you're editing the right piece of audio. Inside the editor, look for the Voice drop-down menu. It's usually labeled Voice or Select Voice and often appears in the right-hand panel or along the top toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, check the settings for the selected text block, since some controls show up only when a block is active. Click the drop-down to browse the list of available voices. You'll find a variety of tones, accents, and styles to match your content. Think about your audience and the mood you want. An upbeat voice for promos, a calm voice for tutorials, or a neutral, professional voice for corporate updates. When you find one that fits, click to select it. If previews are available, give a quick listen before you commit. With the voice chosen, adjust any available settings like speed, pitch, or style. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Slightly slowing the speed can improve clarity, while a subtle pitch change can make the voice feel warmer or more energetic. If style options exist, pick one that matches your message, such as conversational, narrative, or formal. Keep in mind that changes to speed may affect timing with visuals or background music. Once your settings look good, click the button to apply or regenerate the audio so the new voice takes effect. This step rebuilds the narration with your chosen voice and settings. If you skip regeneration, you may still hear the previous voice, so be sure to run this step before reviewing. After regeneration, preview the audio from start to finish. Listen for pacing, pronunciation, and emphasis. If something feels off, switch voices or refine the settings, then regenerate and preview again. When you're satisfied, save your project to preserve the changes and export by downloading the audio or video in your preferred format. That's it. Your project now features the updated voice, tailored exactly how you want it.